Hi friends, welcome to my Gemstone deal channel. Again with new video, interesting video for you. The video for those people who are religionists or meditationists who want to increase the spirituality in life, and he want to get up in the spirituality, sustain it, increase the power of spirituality, and for the miracle life. So friends, if you are seeking this thing, you can achieve in your life without any problem to wearing this stone, the known as blue lace agate. You can watch in video. This stone is very amazing, very interesting, very beautiful stone. Rough, cut, polish, uncut also available. You can watch already, and here I will tell you about the stone that is helpful for you in the spirituality. There are many attractive benefits for those people who want to do in life something should be the better comparatively before. This blue lace agate has been highly esteemed throughout the ages of its stunning beauty and legendary power of stimulate and soothe the mind and emotions in the physical and spiritual realms. This stone is an excellent all-purpose stone that can increase spirituality and chances intuition and psychic powers of all kinds. So guys, this cover all the areas of spirituality to increase the mentality, to increase the ability of spirituality, soothes, stimulate that mind's points which are very important to increase the spirituality. So guys, this is all about the spirituality. This stone is very beneficial for the spirituality. So if you are seeking for this purpose, you can get help from this stone. And if you like this video, please share, and please, I always ask you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so you could be able to get all the new uploaded videos in time. Thank you very much. See you in the